But in this stage, my lord, I indicate two things, my lord. One is that, my lord,
two applications have been filed.
yes, but I got one my application, additional.
And the other is yours for addition of parties.
But I got one can application that 10 marks is show on 28, my lord. I have not spent my mouth about the 10 marks on 28, my lord. Regarding one of the interview list, my lord, there are some candidates.
Interview list,
Yes.
all right? Some candidates.
Attended.
All right.
They are in the tented list published by the
Commission.
commission. Well, can you turn page number 58?
Yes.
This interview list, one Nitish Ranjan Burman.
Serial number
Serial number 14.
14.
This is interview list. Now, my very next page. That is tented list. Serial number 958. Nitish Ranjan Burman. Tented list.
One minute list of all candidates as per such. This is the list of tainted candidates.
Because this is a bulky list, so that's why my lord, there is the 11th page and in the above my lord, there is
Where is his name?
page number 958.
958. And is this the same person?
Yes, my lord. That's my queries, my lord.
Whether that's the same person
Yes,
or
madam.
not.
Number very next page, I will make the appropriate submission. Why, what in this internet period, what is my prayer?
Because see, the roll number is
Yes,
different.
because of that is tented list roll number is the percentage of 2016 selection process. And this page number 58 in percentage of second selection 2025. So how could I identify?
All right.
My senior,
Yes.
Yes, given some instances that admittedly within this election process that is made to be vitiated from day one. They could not have allowed these persons to appear apart from other issues which are pending. And this can only be done if the Weimar sheets with all details, particulars are published. We can then find out how many tainted people have been allowed to participate. But these are our short submission.
This is one candidate you found out. There are others also.
No, I have given series from 58, then kindly turn to the next page.
So you've got quite a few.
Quite a few, and many other would be revealed subject to the publication of Weimar sheets giving details so that we can compare.
All right.
But we have no other means to go into the detail and compare. Whatever has come out, we have given it.
Yes, your permission.
Kindly come to paragraph 14.
Paragraph 14.
Paragraph 14. They are giving name. First, one Nitish Ranjan Burman, tainted, but physically handicapped, Supreme Court has protected him. No, please. Let me. I will. Next, Devlina Mondal. This spelling is not correct. Therefore, I can't say what is the answer. Next is Narayan Chandopal. This is physically handicapped. According to us, Supreme Court has protected. If your lordship says don't give it, we do not. Jointo Abedin spelling is not correct. These are the 4 instances have been given. 4 instances, my lord, I have taken the instruction. Now, let kindly see the Supreme Court judgment.
Page.
Kindly give me one. Kindly come to paragraph page 40. Page 40. Kindly come of the judgment. Paragraph 14. Can I see? Lastly, we addressed the case of the disabled candidates. Our attention has been drawn to one such case where the improved judgment held that the appointee Mrs. Soma Das shall be allowed to continue on humanitarian grounds. While we will not interfere with the findings, we make it clear that other differently able candidates will not be entitled to same benefit as would contradict legal principles and the rule of law. However, in consideration of their disability, these candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection process of appointees are completed. These disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection process if required with age relaxation and other concession. Similarly, other candidates who are not specifically influenced. These disabled candidates will not in terms of the paragraph 48 and 49. They have been given chance. Otherwise,
So, 1 minute. The disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the
reflection process.
if required. Other candidates who are not
other concessions.
specifically tainted
Yes.
is
And with age relaxation and other concessions. These disabled candidates
other concession means you want the tainted candidates to
if
be
he is disabled. If he is only disabled, according to our
disabled tainted candidates.
yes.
This is the concession that you are giving.
Yes, not in terms of the Supreme Court judgment. I am not giving. I am not giving. This is Supreme Court judgment.
What type of concession? Age relaxation.
This is Supreme Court judgment. I have nothing to do.
Age relaxation.
Supreme Court has given it.
Yes, but not to the tainted one.
This includes that.
What it includes?
Includes that. However, in constitution of the disability, candidates will paragraph 48.
Yes.
These candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection process appointed are completed.
So the tainted candidates who are there will continue till the fresh selection process. How can you permit them to participate?
Kindly next, these disabled persons will be allowed to participate.
These are tainted candidates.
According to our reading, this is there. That is
See, the next line
hold it, I will cancel.
specifically candidates who are
If you hold that, we will cancel. We have nothing to do. We have to carry out the orders of the court.
That means you say that you are aware that they are in the tainted list, but only because of the fact that they are physically handicapped.
That's right. Exactly. I am saying so in terms of paragraph 46 and 47. Reading of my judgment is this.
All right, I get it.
Reading of my judgment is this.
I have only one. Because as far as I am concerned,
Who are you? You are also physically handicapped.
So for other players is concerned, that's why he is asking for a roaming inquiry. That's not permissible.
as far as this concerns, I am not affected.
Not
So I don't want to make
You
any
are not
because I am an untainted. I also want it should be only for the untainted.
Yes.
Now regarding paragraph 48, I restrict to say anything because that is not. I am not supposed to say anything on that because I am not for the disabled in this case. Since there are other prayers which affects me, so that's why my application.
Other prayers means submission is not.
There are many prayers.
They are the main issue.
They fundamental issue 10 marks.
No, that today it is not canvassed. And at the very beginning it was said that 28 whatever will happen.
Canvassing we understand only when it is canvassed.
Yes.
Prior to that you understand only from the
Merit
prayer.
petition.
Prayer is
Many.
yes, that's the main.
I understand.
If it is restricted to the disabled,
Today the submission is only this and
This in the subsequent without order of Supreme Court and Mr. Bandyopadhyay had made a very frank statement.
Yes, I am saying so.
That this is the order which was passed on the prayer of some candidates, where the council for the SSC candidates
I could
Yes.
judgment.
we take on record the statement made by the London Senior Council appearing for the Commission that all the appointment teachers who are entitled to appear for the selection test pursuant to the aforesaid direction of this code would be permitted to appear in both the tests, that is 9 and so and so. As we have already directed that a list of tainted candidates should be placed in the public domain within a period of 7 days. It's not done.
Yes, done.
It's not done. According to us, we also take on record the statement of the Learned Senior Council appearing for the Commission that none of the tainted candidates would be permitted to appear in the selection test scheduled to be held on such and such. He further states that if any tainted candidate slips through the net and manages to appear for the test, the notice dated so issued by the Commission stating the eligibility, ineligibility of candidates will be examined in the post-examination stage would come to the aid of the commission. But this is no sleeping, this is not just by chance. This is
Conscious.
conscious.
Mm.
Therefore, these tainted will not, if they allow to appear, unless somebody comes and brings notice of the court, they go through.
Right.
No, I have no approach. Therefore, to make it absolutely transparent, without the publication of OMRs is for the benefit of all, so that we can compare who are the tainted candidates who are slipped in or brought in.
There is enough chances to see other results, and not that again same provision, same procedure,
Same procedure.
we know that every time some persons are there, yes, some persons are there to disturb everything. They are born for it. We know about that. But so far, kindly record my submissions to this extent in view of the paragraph, the two paragraphs I have of the Supreme Court judgments. Commission considered them that they are eligible in view of paragraph 49 and 49. And they have been called for or etc. interview this. I don't know whether they will get it or not. That I don't know. But this is. And so for the others, that's the name is this is mistaken. Another request I will make, Lord, before Lordship is also direct them to make them party also. Because they can't be affected. They can't be affected by any order passed by your Lordships. They can't be affected without being before your Lordships.
What about the publication of the tainted list?
Tainted list we have published, my Lord. How many times I will give this? We have tainted list I have given it 91 to 334. Lord,
Can you see the list?
Yes, I cannot make a list to the satisfaction of Mr. Bhattacharya's client. Yes, to this I am doing it. No, I am doing it in terms of law. But your clients are the persons who will disturb all the time for creating disturbance.
The court is here. Please do not answer each other. The court is here to hear you.
291 to 324.
291 to 324.
একটা লোক পাস করতে পারে না, চাকরি পায় না।
Please do not make these type of comments. You are a very senior man. Please don't. 291.
291 to 324. Yes, 324.
1804. Serial number last 324.
Yes. This is only for the group 9 and 11 and 12.
What about the others?
Oh, yes, 9, 10, 11, 12.
All four classes.
All four.
1804 candidate's name, serial number is there.
Yes.
According to the investigation, how many candidates are there in the tainted list?
More than 6,000. As per our estimation of 3 categories.
That is a group C, group D. Actually, 9, 10, 11, 12.
9, 10, 11,
That
12.
is 9, 10, 11, 12, 1804.
1804. 1804 names
Can
have
you
been
identify
published.
anyone?
Identify.
Yes. Which category? Where from they are applying? This is similar to the deceptive way to mislead the entire people, including the court. How can I know? What is this? Who is this one? Which category did he apply? What is his father's name? The detailed category will not help the people all and sundry to identify. But every day we are receiving the information from many corners that this tainted person have gone to. I can also show the WhatsApp, but I'm not going to do that. Why the School Service Commission will not hide with the details authorities?
All right.
That's why you have made this prayer, and that's why the division bench of High Court directed you publish to AMR.
Where is that?
You kindly come to the order of the division bench, which was upheld by the Supreme Court.
And that time,
While kindly turn to paragraph 363, the directions given by the division bench.
Paragraph
363. Final directions.
363. This is the Justice Basak's order.
Division gadget.
OMR sheets available if not already done, or such portion not done, must be uploaded and made available to the public for viewing.
And all these directions are upheld by the Supreme Court. What's the difficult thing for the authorities? Otherwise, these sort of litigations will continue.
Right. Please come.
Madam, can I? That was in relation to first SLST. That is
The
not.
tainted candidates is in
I have
first.
given the tainted candidate list to your lord.
No, the division bench said that you have to upload it in the website. Portions not done. You have given the
Portions
name
not
and
done.
the OMR. OMR. You have given the name and the roll number.
That is now. That is after the judgment has been delivered, after the matter challenge has been moved here. This is in respect of 2016. So 2025. This is 2025. The court said where is the list of the tainted candidates. Then we said within 7 days we will disclose the tainted candidates' names. That is the tainted candidates since have been given.
You published the name. You have already published the names and their details. Father's name.
This is not. This is not. It is too far prior for a petitioner, and this court should not entertain.
All right.
But kindly see this next is 323. This is too far. But court is not. Court will not.
323.
Kindly see the from 325. I have given to your lordship. See status, category, name, roll number, everything. What is this? I have to give the home address. Am I a police officer? They will not do any homework. They will not do any homework. 325. Can you see?
What is it?
See serial number, roll number, name, status. Why they? What they refuse to
So
do?
what does status mean? OMR issue?
Status, mismatch mark. OMR, that is all mismatch. That is the OMR. There is a whole list is there. But if one litigant sleeps in his house, that doesn't mean that I have to feed him. Yes, of course. This is not. And this court should not be turned into a court of a roving inquiry. Yes.
Sir,
Yes. No. Tell Mr. Bhattacharya also. You are also only blaming me. You are not saying to Mr. Bhattacharya. You are also blaming me. Comments is from Mr. Bhattacharya. Reaction is there. You are only telling me, not Mr. Bhattacharya. I know that I am not a life person, but don't only this to me you will say.
I have only one sentence. Only one sentence.
Most likely, how can I be?
Whatever order on tainted, I am not going to be affected. But the process which is continuing, I humbly pray lordships may not stop or stay the process which they pray. Only that.
that is not the prayer also.
Regarding the transparency for the tainted, I don't want to say.
That is not the prayer.
I am an untainted. I have nothing to say. But
Only one thing may I just tell you, lordships. In regard to non-compliance of our division bench order, our division bench has said in contempt application, everybody go to the Supreme. I'll have a look at that paragraph 56.
Yes, it's all right. Parties are there before the Supreme Court. It's not that they are not there.
No, therefore any non-compliance of this is the non-compliance. They are urging of Justice Basak's order.
Are you there in the tainted list?
No,
No.
this goes on and on.
Only one.
I'm also the one
Sorry, madam, one submission. Mr. Bhattacharya's client filed an application for contempt before Justice Basak. That was dismissed. Against that order, nobody has gone to Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court has no one has initiated any order. If there is a violation of the division bench order, then the contempt proceeding would be drawn up. That has not been initiated.
The matter relates to second SLST.